Hey guys, it's Steph here. September na, and we are going to start the month right by doing Chloe Ting's new 2-week shred challenge. Now I'm just here weighing and measuring myself. That day, I weighed 121 pounds, which is almost 55 kilos, so that's kind of a lot, diba? Okay, so dito sa punto na to, kakastart ko lang mag-workout ulit. And I'm inserting clips here na makikita nyo. Yan, pagod na ako. The day 1 was full of rest. Puro ganyan, puro hingal, puro tigil. Puro tigil sa camera. And say hi to Michi. Andyan siya. She was supporting me throughout the workout. Sabi niya, go lang sis, kaya mo yan. Kaya mo yan. And yes, pagod na naman ako. Hingal galore. Oh, the abs workout. Medyo, this is new. Hindi ko in-expect na this is hard. Yung workout na yan kasi, diba, usually yung up and down, madali lang. But, that was hard. Super duper hard. We are finally done with day 1. It was a struggle. Oh, sobrang nakakapagod. I think my core overall is not that strong. I'm still out of balance sa ibang workouts, and honestly, I'm not sure if I'm doing the right forms. I'm just basing my form on her video, so I'm not really sure if I'm doing the right form. Today's workout was hard, lalo na sa talagang abs. Sobra akong nag-struggle. Parang per workout, hindi ko natatapos yung 40 seconds. Parang 30 seconds lang or less, 25 seconds, ganon. And then I will take a rest. But I'm still happy because natapos ko yung day 1. Even though ang daming pauses dun sa workout. Okay. See you on day 2. Okay, day 2. I am doing the modified push-ups because I can't do the normal push-ups pa. And the new workout that day was core and arms. And as you can see, hindi pa ganon ka-smooth yung parang pag-akyat and pagbaba ng arms ko. And I included that clip kasi, ewan ko, ang dali ng workout na yon. Though ramdam mo yung sakit sa arms mo, but it was easy. And here, I am flexing my sweat kasi pawis na pawis ako, and I feel like nag-work yung workout ni Chloe Ting because I was sweating a lot. This one, mukhang madali. Pero once you're tired, you will really feel it sa kamay. 'Di ba? Patigil-tigil ako. And still struggling. Masakit na yung chan ko dyan. Walang abs, pero sumasakit talaga yung chan ko dyan. I love this workout or this movement. I don't know why. Ramdam ko siya sa puwet. Tinanong ko nga yung ate ko kung tama ba na nararamdaman ko siya sa puwet because I can feel it. Ay, dito naman. Tumutunog yung ko dyan. Buto ko sa shoulders. Pero the next days naman na ginagawa ko yan, hindi na siya tumutunog. And side planks, that's usual, very usual kay Chloe Ting. Sa workout si Chloe Ting, meron talagang mga side planks. Swimmers, guys, I don't know how to properly do this. Please tell me if tama ba tong ginagawa ko. Please do tell me, please. Hey you guys, today was really hard. It was really hard. I felt like puking kanina because I was so tired. I don't know if it's because this is our second day and parang nabugbog talaga yung katawan natin nung first day. All I can say is sobra akong napagod today. As in. Ayun, I took a lot of breaks and told myself na chill lang. It's okay to take a lot of breaks. It's okay to feel weak. Kasi nga sobrang na-discourage na ako and gusto ko nang i-stop yung workout kanina. But natapos ko. Yay! I have concluded that mahina talaga ako sa abs ni Chloe Ting and mahina pa yung arms ko. So, we'll see if we will get stronger. Hopefully, we will get stronger. And I'll see you on the third day. It's booty day, and honestly, I love booty workouts because I can do them. They are like rest for me. Ay, oo nga pala, I might sound inconsistent with the clips after the workouts because I sound happy right now, and dun sa clips na after workouts, I sound exhausted kasi I am. So, I'm just voicing over these videos like a week after doing the workouts, kaya I am happy dahil tapos na ako. So, I might sound inconsistent. I'm very sorry. We are finally done with the third day. It's a relief because tomorrow, rest day na! Yay! 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 Okay, I'm going to be honest with you. I wasn't able to finish the abs workout. Well, I reached the end, pero I was not able to finish the 40 seconds of each exercise. Parang ano lang, 25 to 30. My body was not having it. And then yesterday, I ate a lot of junk foods kasi I was sad yesterday. So, yung sadness ko, kinain ko. I did not have a good sleep. So, I think that is also one of the factors why I feel so tired today. Also pala, my body is so sore. Tsaka din siguro, I was so excited for the rest day that parang gusto ko nang tapusin agad yung videos. Parang wala na akong pake kung hindi ko matapos yung each exercise sa tamang seconds. By the way, you guys, I actually took like longer rests between the videos. Kasi nga, 'di ba, after doing the first workout, I feel like I'm too tired to do the second workout. So what I did today was take longer rests between videos, and I think it kind of helped. Although it's still not perfect, but I'm pretty sure that I improved from the first 3 days that we were doing the workout. This was supposed to be day 6, but it turned out to be the lemon day. Ang ulam namin was my Achi's version of chicken wings, and then tteokbokki, and then some salmon head. And sarap ng kain namin dito, 'di ba? Day 6 with rounder hips workout, another workout that I like because it focuses on our glutes and butt. And yun nga, pag butt workout, nagagawa ko, kaya gusto ko. Hi guys! I had the good workout today and I feel good. For the first time. Yay! I never thought na I will be able to finish this workout. Because honestly, you guys, I was thinking of not continuing the workout program already. Because I wasn't able to conform with Chloe Ting's schedule. But I realized na it's only a few changes. So why not just continue with the video? In case you guys wanna know the changes that I made, I'm just going to put it on the screen or just down below. Anyway, I'll see you on the next day. Okay, so may bago tayong full body workout na punong-puno ng jumps. I think this is longer than the first full body workout na nirelease ni Chloe Ting sa program na to. I think 10 minutes longer to. And medyo madaya tong video na to ha, kasi yung first 2 sets, ang tagal. Actually, if titignan mo yung screen mo, yung progress bar doon sa video, mapapansin mo na sobrang tagal talaga ng first 2 sets. So, I suggest na wag mo na lang tignan yung progress bar kasi mararamdaman mo yung bagal ng oras pag tinignan mo yung progress bar. And muntik na ako ditong ma-endure kasi trinay kong gawin yung ginagawa niya and hindi ko pa kaya. So, I just modified it and hey, nakakapag-push-ups na tayo here even though hindi pa siya ganun kababa, but still progress. Nagpalit na ako because that outfit was too hot. Like, sobrang init. Today, we have a new workout which is also a full body workout. And sabi niya dun sa video niya, it's gonna be fun, I promise. But hindi siya fun. May isang part doon na muntik na ako ma-injure. So, be careful na lang tayo guys if hindi natin kaya Doon na lang tayo sa low impact. Huwag na natin ipilit. And I made a few changes kasi feeling ko mai-endure ako if gagawin ko yung ginagawa niya. Hey guys, good morning. I just finished eating breakfast and yes, I eat ube cheese pandesal for breakfast. I am super addicted to it. During the duration of the 2-week shred with Chloe Ting, I only ate ube cheese pandesal for breakfast. So for today, I am planning on just showing you what I eat in a day because the rest of the workouts are just repeat workouts and I don't want to bore you. Yeah, workout na tayo! For lunch, I had my Achi's version of Korean chicken wings na naman, sugar snappies, and fried bangus, and just a little mukbang to show you na sobrang nag-enjoy ako sa food namin. Ang sarap kasi ng chicken wings na to, and yung sugar snappies, I love it! And then after, I had ice cream, pasalubong to. Oh, naglino ko pa yung sherbet. But I didn't like the flavor, so I changed to another ice cream, yung avocado. Ang sarap, guys. Like, super. Tuwang-tuwa ako, diba? And then for dinner, I also had the same, parang dinagdagan lang ng barbecue, but I didn't eat that because I don't eat pork. Tas yung gulay, and then sushi. May sushi na, may rice pa. Guys, we're finally done with day 10. Grabe, nakakatamad yung tight core plank challenge. Ay, di ko talaga gusto yon kasi ang sakit sa dito. But we're finally done with day 10, and then rest day tomorrow, and then last 3 days. Yay! Hopefully, we'll see some changes sa ating katawan. This is what I ate for lunch and dinner, then banana. Day 11 rest day, hindi ko na vlog before kumain, but we had my version of chicken longganisa, mandu, and then sinigang sa miso. Also for dinner, apples for breakfast kasi naubusan ng ube cheese, and then lunch, okra, pampano, tuyo. Also what I ate for dinner. That lower abs workout was definitely a killer. Akala ko nakaligtas na ako sa ab workout ni Chloe Ting. Kasi medyo nagagawa ko na yung abs niya. And then, nakakapag-push ups na ako. Medyo lumalakas na yung arms ko. Pero oh my God, naramdaman ko yung sakit ng arms ko and ng abs ko doon sa last workout. Grabe. But I feel so happy, honestly, kasi I feel like I'm getting stronger talaga. Napansin ko na hindi na ako masyado nag-rest ng ganun katagal. Kung magre-rest man ako, katulad na doon sa rest sa video, kunwari, may 10-second rest, yun na lang din talaga yung rest ko. So, bale, nasusundan ko na yung video talaga and tatapos ko na yung workouts ng mas mabilis. Tomorrow is our last day. Hopefully talaga meron tayong makitang changes. If wala naman, at least I feel stronger. Sorry pala, yung mga dyan, mga bells. Yan, pusa ko. O, diba? Kanina pa sila dyan. Di rin ako maka-workout ng maayos kasi inaano nila yung buhok ko. Huwag dito, hinahabol nila. For lunch and dinner, I had fish, squash, and beef soup. We're finally done with day 14. We're finally done with day 14. Okay. We are finally done with day 14, Fabi. Are you happy? Oh, hindi sila happy. Hey, you guys! We are finally done with day 14! Actually, hindi ko talaga sana dapat gagawin yung day 14 today because I'm on my period and medyo heavy yung flow. So, natatakot ako na baka hindi ko magawa ng maayos yung mga exercises ni Chloe Ting. Pero, sabi ko, sige na, gawin na natin para matapos na. Hindi muna ako magme-measure today, tomorrow na lang ng umaga. Kasi nakakain na ako and naka-workout na ako. Baka may effect yon sa weight ko kaninang umaga. Tomorrow na lang ulit pagising natin nang hindi pa tayo nakakainom ng tubig at hindi pa tayo nakakakain. Para fair siya, kasi ganun din yung ginawa ko nung first day. Yung weight talaga natin, pagising natin, yung binasean ko. So tomorrow talaga is our judgment day. I'm nervous. Longganisa for lunch again because I love breakfast food. Honestly, you guys, hindi ko alam kung tama ba tong pinagme-measurean ko, but I just measured what I measured before, and ang biggest loss natin ay sa left leg with an inch. Wow, not bad, diba? Ang laki nun 1 inch. And here, flex lang tayo. Yay! Hey guys, I'm going to try to film this as quick as possible because this is actually my second time filming this because the first time I filmed this, medyo I was blabbering. So, sinulat ko na lahat ng kailangan kong sabihin para short and precise. Okay, so our total weight loss was 1.8 pounds for just 2 weeks, which is nearly a kilo. O, diba? And actually, before the 2 weeks, I lost a kilo na. Pero the day before our judgment day ata, yung parang last day talaga natin, yung day 14, medyo overboard ako sa calories ko. Kaya siguro, na-gain back ko yung weight. Pero ayun nga, if we're gonna total everything, we lost 1.8 pounds, which is not bad. As for the diet, well, as you can see naman sa previous clips ko, I was eating breads every day. I was eating ice cream almost every day. And also, parang nagko-Korean food ako 2 times a week. 'Di ba? So, I was not really, well, you can say, strict sa diet. But, I tried to stay at a calorie deficit. Now, if you don't know what a calorie deficit is, basically, to stay at a calorie deficit, you should know your maintenance calorie and then less 500 calories. And then, the total subtracted amount is your daily calorie goal. Now, in order to know your maintenance calories, I use a specific website. I'm just going to put the link down below para you can compute your maintenance calorie also. As for the less 500 calories, I don't really know the reason why, but I'm just going to put also a blog post from Healthline just to give you more information about the calorie deficit because ayokong may ma-miss out na information and ayoko din na magbigay ng hindi tamang information. But anyway, my daily calorie goal was 1,448. And I use an app to track my calories. And the app that I use is LifeSum. As I've said, nung 2 weeks, hindi ko sure if I have maintained at a calorie deficit every day kasi hindi ko na-track yung calories ko. Meron kasi kaming visitor and I was kinda shy to weigh my food and just put it or log it on my app. Nga pala, the reason why I did Chloe Ting was to get back on track. And I'm going to be honest, I've tried a lot of her programs already. But kasi I stopped working out for a month ata and I felt like I'm getting weaker again and medyo lumolobo na naman ako. So, ginawa ko yung bago niyang program. Let's go back to our diet. Ayun nga, most of what I eat naman are home-cooked meals. And sa ibang clips, hindi ko napakita yung kinakain ko for dinner. Because most often than not, yung kinakain ko for lunch is what I also eat for dinner. Hindi ko na-feel yung need to show you what I eat for dinner because it's basically the same. To close this video, I just wanna say that Chloe Ting really works, especially when you change your diet or improve your diet. And hindi naman kay Chloe Ting lang to applicable. Sa lahat naman ng workouts, gumagana siya, lalo na pag kumakain ka ng tama. I hope this video inspired you somehow because these types of videos really inspired me to try Chloe Ting and get motivated to stay back on track. And I hope na maitry nyo rin si Chloe Ting. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye!